It's a hot day today. It's feeling so good inside the Hummer. And today is a hot day. It's 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 35 degrees Celsius. When you come to the house, you want it to have. So when you get to your sweet home and the homes are fully air conditioned, then this heat does not bother you at all. It feels so good, nice and cold. AC is running, and you relax. And that's part of life. You enjoy the life. But what happens if you don't have air conditioning at home and in such scorching heat? How you can enjoy the life? That I'm going to share with you. So today I'm going to share with you the evaporative cooler, which can keep you cool during summer days, and it gives you nice and cool breeze. And let me share with you. It's from New Air. It's called Evaporate Cooler, and this model is EC111W. So let's open it. Ice bottles. You freeze them in a freezer and then you use it. And this is the product. This one has a product menu. Please read through, and it comes with a remote control. This is a very neat product. Best of all, it plugs into your outlet. You don't need a special wiring for this one. It has a filtering system. You open it, and this is the best thing I like about it. You fill with the water, and you can freeze these, and you can put it inside. And when it's going to blow the air, it's going to blow it really nice and cold. So we're going to fill up the water circulates, it's going to fill into the filters, it's going to come down, fill with the water, and then just close it. I remember back home in India, we used to have an air cooler, and this is exactly the same thing. And now on the sides, there are two latches. You just pull it, and this is for your cord. You can wrap your cord around. At the bottom there is a switch. You turn it, so it will close it, so it won't come out. I left it a couple hours in the fridge. They are not frozen. They are really ice cold. And you open it, and we're going to fill up with the water. It can take 3 jugs, but this is good enough. We're going to place these ice cold ice packs inside, and we're going to close it. Once you close it, then you lock it, so it won't open up. You can see the water level is up to here. It's 1/4. You don't want to overfill, because when you're going to move around, then there are chances it's gonna spill. This one has a really nice, neat, handy remote control. And this one, turn the fan on. This is the speed, 1, 2, and 3. And it's already feeling good. And as for the swing, when you turn the swing on, then it starts to circulate. And it circulates the air inside the room. This is really powerful. And this covers up to 250 square feet. It's a big area. So this is the perfect for a family and affordable. If you start using it in the summertime, you're not going to see too much upswing in your electrical bill. Also, it's like a protection for the small kids. If they're sticking out the fingers inside, that's not going to, harm anything. I'm going to list the product information under my description, and if you're interested to check it out, please check it out. This is a really cool product. And it has a humidifier. If you have a lot of dry air inside your house, this is a perfect. As I mentioned earlier, I remember those days back home in India when I used to be little. We used to have a big cooler. The water running all over the time, and it was keeping the house cool. And this is a perfect portable mini version of that. This tiny remote control, please keep it in safe place, and in case if you lost it or you couldn't find it, then it has a manual button on top of the air cooler, and you can operate from there. And this is really perfect for the tiny room, dorm, for your RV, and perfect for the dry climate. I like it. And best of all, I'm going to give this gift to Sheru and Bruno, the hot summer day gift. They will like it. So please don't forget to watch that video. If you like this video, like always, like, share, and big thumbs up to this video. And I'm going to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.